Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make baby arugula salad. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll want to choose vibrant, tender baby arugula. Make sure to have good quality extra virgin olive oil and a fresh lemon on hand. Always wash your arugula thoroughly, then dry it well using a salad spinner or paper towels to prevent a watery dressing. Next, we'll create a simple yet delicious dressing. In a small bowl, combine about 2 parts extra virgin olive oil to 1 part fresh lemon juice. Add a small pinch of sea salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Whisk these ingredients vigorously until they are well emulsified, creating a slightly thick and creamy vinaigrette. This simple dressing truly enhances the arugula's peppery notes. Now it's time to assemble your salad. Place the clean, dry baby arugula in a large bowl. Drizzle the prepared dressing over the greens, then gently toss to coat every leaf evenly. You can add optional toppings like halved cherry tomatoes, toasted pine nuts, or shaved Parmesan cheese for extra flavor and texture. Remember to dress the salad just before serving to keep the arugula crisp. To serve, transfer your beautiful baby arugula salad to a chilled bowl. This simple salad makes a fantastic side dish for almost any meal. It pairs wonderfully with grilled chicken, baked salmon, or even a slice of pizza. The fresh, peppery flavor is incredibly versatile. And speaking of staying refreshed, check out the Owala water bottle and other great deals linked in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.